When we use sound in certain ways, it has certain significance. In the yogic culture, these things have been beautifully expressed. You must have already heard about this, I must have spoken somewhere about this, but in terms of sound and yoga, how deeply they're related. The Adiyogi, Shiva himself, when he was to get married, on his wedding day, he arrived in a certain state which caused a certain level of upheaval, and then he sat in the wedding space, the mandapam. His bride, he is a princess. It was a tradition, particularly among the kings, that when a bride and a groom, they're getting married, to talk about the antecedents, the pedigree, as to from what great lineage someone has arrived. So with great pride, the pedigree and the antecedents of the bride was said. Then everybody looked at the groom. He had not come with his parents or relatives, only the ganas, his inebriated companions were there around, and nobody was in any state to say anything. But Adiyogi Shiva sat still, said nothing. So the bride's father got excited. What are the antecedents of this man? What is his pedigree? What is his lineage? He said nothing, nobody said anything, there was just perfect silence. Then big excitement within the king and the assembled guests. Who is he? How can a princess be married to this man? Then Narada, the sage, the wise one, did something. He just did this, that is a single string, strumming it again and again. What he's trying to say is, that Shiva, the Adiyogi, his origin lies in the first strum of the existence or the first sound. From an instrument called ektara, that means a single-stringed instrument, it makes a single note. He's suggesting that he's self-created. From the stillness meaning silence, a reverb which cannot be heard, a reverb which can be experienced in deeper dimensions of perception, but cannot be heard either by the human ear or by any other creature's hearing instrument, but can be felt in a very profound way. From that to this level of manifestation, he is the simplest possible sound, the first and the basic sound. It is that which you are seeing as Adiyogi, the Shiva. He is suggesting that he has no parentage, no pedigree, his pedigree is silence, his pedigree is the first sound, and that's it. Here he is. He is not a complex web, he is the simplest and the most basic sound and the ultimate root of everything else. The whole existence is a complex web of reverberation. In this, the most fundamental sound is him.